apuntes. Un aplauso para él, por favor.
Hello. Hello. Put that right there. Thank you very much for having me here. Thank you very much for the organizers for inviting Evernote to present here. We're really super excited. Madrid has been fantastic and very hospitable. Very also forgiving of my Spanish, so I do speak a little bit of Spanish, so I tend to make up words sometimes to fill in the blanks, and I was trying to say I was very excited to be here, and I said, muy excitado. And me dijo que no, excitado es como vas a estar jueves, mediodía, cuando estás parado con 1,000,000 de gente y 1,000,000 de luces, así que ahora sí estoy excitado. Encantado también. So yeah, we're very excited to be here and to talk about Evernote and what we're doing in schools. Evernote is something that helps you remember everything. Acuérdate de todo. It is a cloud service and a set of applications that help make you smarter. Can really let you keep and collect and organize and collaborate with other people with all of your memories and the things that you want to remember, that you want to use. And so in schools, this is a fantastic thing because specifically what you're trying to do in a school is learn, is accumulate knowledge and then take that with you and be able to use it. So what we strive to do with Evernote is really around two things. A great user experience, so we want it to be a fantastic, sort of easy to use, something that you can take with you everywhere and make use of all the time. And we want it to be trusted. So we're very transparent as a company. We share lots of numbers, we talk to our users all the time. It's very important that you feel that you can trust us with your memories, with the things that you want to put in there and keep forever. So it's really the two guiding principles in the company. So we have a cloud service. It's a set of machines that live in a data center, and we have applications all around them. So we have applications for iPhone, for Android, for iPad, for Macs, for PCs, for Blackberries, lots of different platforms that you can access everywhere. And it's very important to us that this be accessible not just on all your devices, but really all over the world, to all, in Spain, and France, and Latin America. So we have put quite a lot of resources into localizing. We're available in 18 different languages. And we want that to be very accessible to people. And the user experience, so having applications that make for a really smooth and excellent user experience. So things like food and hello and clearly and sketch and peek all are ways that you can build up your memories, that you can really interact with your own personal knowledge base and feel like you are have a really excellent sort of streamlined user experience. So what it is capture, collect, collaborate. These are the things that we talk about in education. So I might capture things on my desktop. So I'm doing research on the web and I want to keep that. It's an article about dinosaurs, or I'm doing research on a company. So I can capture that from the web and keep that in my Evernote account. Now it's available to me forever. And then I can access it from all my devices. So the service synchronizes between your desktop and your phones and your tablets, and now I can use that wherever I am. So if I'm sitting in a doctor's office or waiting for my car to be repaired, or I'm a student and I'm sitting on a bus, I can actually make use of that. So rather than go and sit and play a game for a few idle minutes, I can actually look at something. I can make use of these things, these memories that are so important to me. And so that makes a big difference as we move around in our lives in terms of school and work, home, office, a library, a computer lab. Being able to access it from everywhere is key, and we think that makes people better able to take advantage of the time they have, to feel more productive, to use that stuff where it really matters, at the time that you need it, at the point where it's important. And a lot of people agree with that sort of methodology, that way that we go about it. We have over 25 million users worldwide, and education is actually our largest segment. So we have between 10 and 15% of our users our education. It's over 2.5 million users worldwide. And we've gotten lots and lots of great feedback about how it's being used in education. And I'll go into that in a second. We've also been very lucky in terms of our user base, the appreciation that we get. So we were named Inc. Company Magazine of the Year last year, and we've won a number of awards, and that's really all because of all of you. All of our users are really very excited about this, solving this problem, this thing. No one feels like their memory is good enough. My wife tells me that my memory is terrible, so I use Evernote all the time. Kids' birthdays, anniversary, everything. It's a universal problem, and that's really why we've done what we've done, and the way we've done it is to solve problems for ourselves and make it just really something that really fits and improves your lives. It's the way technology should be used. So I'm going to show a quick little 2-minute video here. Montclair Kimberly Academy is a school in New Jersey, United States, that we have been working with for 2 years. They have deployed Evernote. They're using MacBooks and Evernote to their students in grades 4 through 12, so about 9 or 10-year-olds up through 17, 18-year-olds. And they've had tremendous results. They've incorporated it into their curriculum, so they've made it a part of their theater classes, their English classes, their math classes, and the students have taken to it really well, and we've been working with Montclair Kimberly to understand how those students are using it, how the teachers are using it, and help us actively improve the product. So we did a little video, and I'm going to